Okay, this is my follow-up video for my neon lamp rejuvenation experiment, and 19 days ago was when I plugged this thing into 120 volt AC, and the plasma coverage on the electrodes was very spotty, but now you can see it's quite even on each electrode, quite evenly spaced throughout. Never mind that flashing back and forth, that's just a camera effect. So I'm going to call it quits now at 19 days for the plasma coverage, and I'm going to hook it up to a circuit and see if the breakdown voltage or the turn on voltage, see if that has changed at all over the past couple of weeks. I have it hooked up to the same power supply, the same circuit, the same DMM as before, and I'm just going to crank up the voltage and see what the maximum value is, and that'll be the turn on voltage for the neon lamp. Last time it was about 128, and I think it's going to be about the same this time. Let me switch up to the next highest range on the power supply. Huh, it changed. It went higher at 134. I wasn't expecting that. I thought the turn on voltage would be much lower. I'm going to try that one more time just to make sure it wasn't a fluke. Ha ha, that pun was intended. Let me crank up the voltage. There we go, there's 133. Turn on voltage 133, and then it drops to a steady state voltage of about 83, 82, looks like 81, 8. Wow, it's dropping fast. Huh. I think I saw it drop. The voltage was dropping as the plasma coverage moved from the tip of the terminal down to the base. That's very interesting. So I'm not really sure why the plasma actually went down the length of the electrode, but I would guess that the voltage dropped because the electrodes are closer to each other at the bottom than they are at the tip, and so closer distance means less voltage breakdown and less voltage needed in order to break down the gas to create a plasma inside. Well, there you go. That's my experimental results. Certainly not the results I was expecting, but both voltages went up, and I don't know why, and I don't know why the plasma went down the length of the electrode, but all I can say is that's what happened. Of course, if I really want to be thorough, I would do this with a whole bunch of different neon lamps, not just this one single lamp, but maybe that'll come at a later date, but not anytime soon. I've got lots of other things to work on. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.